Can you guess this flag? Japan. What country is this flag from? Argentina. Do you recognize this flag? Norway. Which nation's flag is this? India. Whose flag is this? New Zealand. Identify this country by its flag. Egypt. Where does this flag belong? United States. This flag represents which country? Germany. Can you tell which country this flag is from? South Korea. Guess the country from this flag. France. What nation is symbolized by this flag? Kenya. Which country flies this flag? Canada. What country could this flag be from? Saudi Arabia. This flag belongs to which country? Russia. Match this flag to the country. Greece. Which country has this national flag? Spain. Which country does this flag represent? Vietnam. Identify the country from the flag shown. Switzerland. Who owns this flag? Iceland. Which flag is this? Turkey. Do you know which country this flag is from? Peru. Here's a tricky one. What country is this? Malaysia. Which country waves this flag? Ireland. What flag is this? Portugal. Can you name the country with this flag? South Africa. Think you know this flag? Thailand. Guess which country owns this flag? Finland. This flag is from which country? Poland. What country is this the flag of? Mexico. Take a look. What country uses this flag? Nepal. Try to identify this national flag. Israel. Any idea which country this is? Netherlands. Test your knowledge. Whose flag is this? Chile. Recognize this flag? Cuba. Match the flag to the country. Ukraine. Name the country based on this flag. Iran. Tell us which country this flag belongs to. Hungary. Whose national symbol is this? Venezuela. Which country do you think this flag is from? Belgium. Any guess on this flag's origin? Indonesia. Take a guess. What country uses this flag? Ethiopia. Identify the flag. What country does it belong to? Jamaica. Can you match this flag to its country? Colombia. You've seen this flag before, but where is it from? Sri Lanka. Last one. What country has this flag? United Kingdom. Here's another one. What country does this flag represent? Czech Republic. Try this. What nation uses this flag? Morocco. Have you seen this flag before? Which country is it from? Singapore. Take your best guess. What country could this flag belong to? Philippines. What country is this unique flag from? Bhutan. How many did you get right? Leave your score in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.